learning about the numbers additions. And the number addition are million numbers. First, we have to remember the place value numbers. The 1-digit number is the ones. The number 9 is the 1-digit number. Now let's write 2-digit numbers like 24. 24 is in the 24 is in the place value number 10. Now let's write the hundreds. Like 102. The 102 is in the value hundreds. Now let's write the thousands. The thousands are 4 numbers. 4,023. 4,023 is in the thousands place. Let's go to 10,000s place. 10,000s place is 5 numbers. Like 50,241. Now let's go to the 100,000 place. Like 6 numbers are in the 10,100,000 place. So this number 401,261 is in the 10,100,000 place. Balance number. Now let's go to the billions. Let's go to the millions. So in the millions place is 7 numbers digits. So like 7,819,917.
Good job!
And that's all the numbers we were learning today, like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. We made it to the millions! How good! Now we have to make addition with the millions. We have to do addition with regrouping. In Spanish is sumas con llevadas.
Sofi, ¿qué número es eso?
Es 2,353,932.
Ok, ¿y el de abajo?
4,189,320.
Good job! Okay,
Let's do it, the addition together. So I do it from backwards to forwards, and I do the number from up and down. So let's start. So 2 plus 0 is 2, and 3 plus 2 is 5, and 9 plus 3 is 12. So we put the 2 here, and we don't have space to put the 1, so we put it up. So I carry the 1 up to up here. And we do 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 9, 13. We put the 3 over here, and the 1 on top of here. I grab the 1 and put it up here. So 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 8, 14. So we put the 4 over here, and the 1 over here. So 1 plus 3, 4, and 4 plus 1, 5. And here, we put 6. 6,543,252.
Good job!
son fresca now. So, if you look carefully, the number in the top is smaller, so we cannot do subtraction. We have to change. So, 4 millions is bigger than 2 millions. 4 millions and 2 millions. Which one is the bigger number? 4 millions. So that's the bigger number. So I can't subtract 0 minus 2 because the 0 is a small number and the 2 is bigger. So this 0 is not a 0. It becomes a 10. So where did I get the 10? Where did I get the 1? So I got it from the next column. So the number 2 is not a 2, it's a 1. So I put the 1 over there. 10 minus 2, 8. But I can't subtract 1 minus 3 because the 1 is smaller than 3. So what should I do? We put a 1 there. I got it from the number 3. So the number 3 is not a 3, it's a 2. A 2. So 11 minus 3, 8. So I put the 8 over here. So 2 and 9, it's not possible because 2 is smaller than 9. So I put a 1 over here. And where did I get the 1? I got it from here. So this 9 is not anymore 9, it's an 8. So 12 minus 9. 9 to arrive 12. 10, 11, 12, 3. 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5. And 8 minus 5. 8, take away 5, 3. 3. So I can't subtract 1 minus 3 because the 1 is smaller than 3. So this 1 is not a 1 anymore. I got a 1. This becomes 11. So I got the other one from here. So this is not a 4 anymore. It's a 3. So 11 minus 3. 10, 9, 8. 8. And 3 minus 2. 3. Take away 2. 1. And the result is 1,835,388.
Okay, super.
In the next video, we will be learning in other ways with this same number, not just backwards and forwards, but also other type of addition ways. I hope you like this video, and Sofia Coca Coca.